Jyoti, welcome to this GSB Scholarship Leagues program on Meet the Student. This is a special series we have started to give it, to educate some of our US based children, or I must say a group of children who want to raise funds for GSP Scholarship League and help them to continue their education. Because what we are giving to the students, we feel is not sufficient. If we help them in a bigger way, the good student, the talented students, those who want to study further, for them it will be a big help. The more success in the students is a more success to the GSP Scholarship League. Especially, we want to support girls because in the past, our education has been, we have been told, and we have seen in a couple of places that some parents hesitate to send their girls for higher education because they feel that teaching a girl is spending money on her is a waste. But GSP Scholarship League doesn't think like that because one girl child is educated, one future family is educated. Whereas one boy is educated, only the boy is educated. So, if you see our ratio for the last so many years, it has been the girls' ratio is far, far higher than the ratio of boys. So, now what I want to do is, I want to ask you first about yourself, then about your family background, which has prompted you to come to GSB Scholarship League. Third, in what way GSP Scholarship Leagues help has given you boost your education, and what are your future plans?
Sure.
Welcome. Yeah, please go.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for calling me to this conversation. I'm Jyoti Shanbag and I'm from Honavar, Uttar Kannada. I'm currently studying in Trisha Vidya College of Commerce and Management, Udupi. I'm doing CA as well as BCom. As we know, CA is one of the toughest course in our country, and I'm doing CA plus BCom. Automatically, it becomes costlier, and in this era, getting quality education is very expensive. And my father, who works in a metal shop, it is not easy for him to get me such expensive education. My mother, she is a housewife, and I have a sister. We both are girl child for our parents, and they support us throughout our educational journey. But automatically, as we both are studying, it becomes difficult for them, and we both are applying for GSB Scholarship League since 8 to 9 years. My compound owner had suggested me to apply for this scholarship, and that one initiative from my side to apply for this scholarship helped me since 8 to 9 years, and it's very big thing for me. And we are like, it's not easy for us to get education so easily, and especially when in this era people believe in receiving, earning. No one loves to give, but GSP Scholarship League believed in us, and they provided us with the precious scholarships. And especially, we belong to the general merit category. So once my lecturer had sent me the list of scholarship, and they suggested me to apply for the same. But when I checked the list, it was not for general merit students. And it was like heartbreaking for me, because even in GSB category, there are some needy students and who need scholarship. But GSB Scholarship League helped us throughout our educational journey, and they supported me, and I'm very thankful for the same. In the COVID period also, I thought GSB might postpone the scholarship to 2021, and they could have given the reason of COVID also, but they believed that they should have created a new form of digital application form, and they had sent the link to each beneficiaries and provided us with the scholarship. We were sitting at home comfortably, and they were consistent. They were working so hardly just to provide us with the scholarships. And I have so many things to learn from the JSB Scholarship League. And from JSB Scholarship League, I came to know about the Prabhu Charitable Trust also. And once Geeta ma'am called me and she asked me that how this scholarship is going to help you. Then I answered that scholarship is like appreciation. If we get it, it motivates us to study harder. And as we are the future of our India, that GSB Scholarship League is helping the India in a way and to secure the places in India. It is very helpful for the people like us who belongs to GSB category, as well as I would not be able to express it in words. So I would like to say a quote to you, ma'am, that we should not remember what we give and we should not forget what we receive. And I'll surely not forget the help that has been given by you, ma'am. It's very appreciable. Ma'am, I'm very thankful to you. And the last thing I would love to say, that as I'm doing CA, in future, if it is possible, I would love to help the GSB Scholarship League from my extent, to the maximum extent, ma'am. And I'm very thankful. At the end, I would love to say a quote, that is 97% of people who quit very soon are employed under the 3% of people who never quits. And I want to be the one who under the 3% of people. So success is not final, ma'am. Failure is not fatal. The only thing which counts is the hard work. And I'll surely work hard and make each one of you proud, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Extremely nicely expressed, Jyoti. Thank you so much. One thing I would like to tell you, even during COVID days, we have made it a point to see that each and every child gets. But going to each corner, to smaller villages, because of the Wi-Fi and other difficulties, some children could not apply. Hopefully, this year they could. I'm very much thankful to you. It has been very encouraging for us. Thank you, Jyoti. May God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.